Seeing H followed by numbers like H3 or H5 on your Spectrum cable box means it's entered diagnostic mode. This happens when the box detects a problem, such as corrupted data, signal loss, or overheating. It's a built-in safeguard to prevent further damage. This issue is particularly common with older DVR models like the Spectrum 210 and 221. Don't worry, it's usually fixable with a simple reset. These are typically resolvable via simple resets. Spectrum's guides stress that this isn't a hackable state, but a built-in recovery mode. First, try the basic reset. Unplug your cable box from the power outlet for a full 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for it to reboot. If that doesn't work, try a factory reset. This can sometimes be done by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Also consider using the Spectrum app for troubleshooting. It often provides guided reset options and can check for signal issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Spectrum recommends at least 25 Mbps. If the problem persists after these steps, the issue could be signal interference, in which case consider contacting Spectrum to potentially swap out your coax cable. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Spectrum support.